Good morning, Year 6. In this video, I'm going to be explaining today's Destination Reader task, and the file you're going to be working on is Destination Reader, 3rd of Feb. I'm going to take you through it. First of all, we're going to start with a little recap. I want you to imagine you're describing Mira, the main character in Artichoke Hearts, to a friend who doesn't know her. What would you say to them? How would you describe Mira? What kind of person is she? Pause the video and write your thoughts in the speech bubble. Secondly, what is the project which Pat Print sets Mira for the month of May? What does Mira have to do throughout May? It's a task she's set by Pat Print. Can you remember that task and write it down here? Pause the video and have a go at that as well. And then we'll move on. Some new vocabulary for today. First of all, we've got a clasp. This is a small metal device that's used to hold the parts of a belt, a bag, or a piece of jewellery together, used to fasten it. There's an example of a button clasp here and some other clasps here. Secondly, a key word in our novel, artichoke. This is a type of vegetable. It's a tall plant that has a rounded top that you can eat, and it's enclosed by these thick pointed leaves. Lastly, the word adornment. An adornment is either something decorative or it's the act of decorating something or someone. Now, we've got 3 extracts from the text to read today because this is a really important part of the novel, really important part of the story. So I'd like you to pause this video and read through the first part really carefully. Remember, at the moment, the main character is at her nana's with her family and it's her birthday. Okay? I want you to pause the video, read carefully, and then try to answer this question. What presents did Mira receive from her nana? There were 2 presents she received. Can you find out what they were? When you've done that, we'll move on to the next part of the story. Okay? Read this carefully. And my next question for you is, what is in the middle of the artichoke charm which Nana Josie gives Mira? Read carefully. Look at the details closely. What's in the middle of the artichoke charm? When you've done that, final couple of questions. Read the extract carefully, the third part of the extract. And my questions for you are, what happened to the bracelet that Nana Josie gave to Mira? And secondly, this is an inference question, thinking about Nana's feelings and why she might feel the way she does. At the end, she says, "Never mind, you can always replace the chain." Why then do you think she was still so upset when she knows that the chain for the bracelet can actually be replaced? Why do you think she was so upset? Answer all 3 of those questions, or 3 of the 4 questions we've discussed, on the selfie page at the end. Can you remember what presents Mira received? Can you find out what was in the middle of the artichoke charm? And you have to use your inference and prediction skills here. You're not told why she's so upset. You have to work it out. You have to be a bit of a detective. When Nana says, "Never mind, you can always replace the chain," why was she still really upset? Why was she so upset at what happened to it? What could the possible reasons for that be? If you think about Nana, some of the clues that we've heard about Nana, and yeah, why might she be so worried about what happened to the chain? Answer all your questions here. Try to write in full sentences if you can, and don't forget to save your work at the end.